Alright, we should be good.
Alright. What's up, YouTube? We back with another taste testing video. Today we're gonna be tasting.
Oh shit, let me say which one is first. Doritos.
Alright.
Not those. Oh.
No, nigga. Tell me.
What's it called? Rick? Is it in the camera? I can't see.
Smartfood Doritos. Smartfood.
There you go.
Shut the fuck up if you're not gonna be in the video. Don't be soft.
So, Smartfood Doritos Nacho Cheese Flavor Popcorn, limited edition. And where did you get these?
Flavor, 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven, how much were they?
I think right here.
Oh, wow.
No, they're not right here.
Probably like $2.
I don't remember the price, but they probably $2 or $1.79 at the most.
New location, guys. After that hotel we've been through, which you guys missed, it was awesome. We are now in a new location. Is that right, Shari?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What was I about to say? Fuck.
Shari wasn't in the videos because circumstances that he couldn't come the first day.
No, that was something.
Because he was too busy eating ass.
No, it was just circumstances that he couldn't show up the first day for some reason. Why was that again, Shari? And he's not in this one because it's cheese. And what are you thinking about?
I forgot. I couldn't think of it. It's gone.
Okay, so let's get started.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, do it.
Is it nice?
It smells good.
So just like Doritos, because Doritos flavor, it reminds me of the, oh, since this is the cheese one, it reminds me of the white cheddar ones. I love the white cheddar ones.
Man,
that means I'm about to crush you.
Yeah,
no, in the
yeah.
purple bag.
Oh yeah, the blue one. Y'all ain't want 40.
Yeah, I'm about to say, y'all keep reaching y'all dirty ass hands in that thing, man.
That's probably been scratching y'all balls and shit.
Who knows?
That shit bland.
Tastes
No, it's
nasty.
good.
I'm about to say,
It tasted bland at first.
that nigga said, I like it. That nigga stuck his neck in, I like it.
That shit do taste like Doritos, bro. What the fuck? Doritos popcorn. I expected it to be way off, bro.
That's like what?
Bitch!
Right.
I don't want no more.
I don't even.
It's good, but I don't want no more.
My man, what happened?
That nigga put his mouth on the fucking bag.
I ain't put my mouth in the bag.
But
I
he
waterfalled it.
Nigga, no. I give it to that on 10, but I'm gonna buy my own pack.
Okay.
Who bought those anyway?
Sorry I fucked up the taste test, everybody.
Damn, nigga.
Sorry I fucked up the taste test.
Yeah, it's 10.
That shit is negative.
You want me a bag from 7-Eleven.
Cheese.
That shit good. 10 out of 10, bro. Nice pickup, bro.
I don't get
You
that.
mean Harold now?
Yeah, well,
And I was done. Sorry. I told you I was hungry all day.
we better go fucking eat, nigga. Say some bro for dinner.
I
None of that.
guess we getting good now since I fucked it up. It's only been 4 minutes.
Anyway, so you closing my mouth, so whatever.
10 out of 10. 7-Eleven, 179, I think, or 189. 159, 169, 179, 189. One of them.
Definitely 10 out of 10. That shit was good.
10 out of 10. It's good.
Luckily, I had 4 before he had like 4 times 20.
I had a handful, so I was good.
We gonna get up out of here. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And be sure to keep your notifications on because our videos come out every other day.
Every other day. Well, every day because Rick only put on one than you, so basically.
Yeah, but we don't have the same followers. So every other day for me, every other day for him, every other each day for each other.
You still disappointed about that, bro?
For certain other people, once every 4 months.
4 months. Every 3 years.
Once every February. Alright,
Fucking
anyway.
disappointed. God damn.
That won't happen in the
Anyway.
next one.
Take care of the kids. Watch out for next time.
I'm doing the next one. I
If
ain't
they,
even
hopefully they make the purple bag ones for the Doritos. I fucked them going to for the popcorn version. Alright, hell hydrant.
Bye.